Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris, and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate y'all. Y'all, today we're gonna unbox together some blind boxes from Popmart. I've got a few items here. There's about 4 of them. Let me just show you what I've got here. The main one is this Skullpanda doll pendant from Popmart, and I recently just unboxed the Lazy Panda Skullpanda on my other video. So if you haven't seen that one, check out that video. It's really cute too, and I'll show it on my bag in a minute. I've also got a baby Molly that came. I want to unbox her and see which one I get out of that. And I'll go over the details of each blind box and show you the different options you can get. This one is really cute too. We saw these when we were in New York City, and it's the Hirono. This is the Rooted in Memory blind box as well, and it's a little keychain thing, so I'm really excited about doing that one. And y'all, this little Hirono series is so cute. It's a little boy, and my partner Josh said it actually reminds him of me, and this one is called The Other One, so this is the other one. But we're gonna open it up, and it says series 1 on it there, as you can see. So we'll open this one up too. So that's the 4 blind boxes we're gonna open together on this video. Before I do that though, I do wanna say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Now, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're here and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok page. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post high quality images of a lot of the stuff that I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out. For everything else Mad Hatter, check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there as well with shopping links. And y'all, before we do these unboxings, I do want to show you all my bags I've been carrying. This is the one I carried to New York City. This is the Compass 35 centimeter in the olive green color from Coach. And of course, I've got the handle wrapped with this really cute Romero Britto tie that I got from Popmart. I think is really adorable. I also got a couple of luggage tags on it that I've adorned with these other little charms here, a heart and a little silver ball there. We got these monogrammed at the Coach store in New York City while we were there. So really cute, and I just love it. And then there is my Skullpanda Lazy Panda on her. I think it looks really good on this green bag. What do y'all think? And I'm really happy with the little Skullpanda Lazy Panda. But this bag right here is packed down, y'all. I've got it full. I just love it because it's got feet on it too, but this is my go-to bag lately. Also, I do have my Coach Empire 40 back here, as you can see, and I've got everything on it as well. Lots of charms. Really cute though, and I've got that skull tie on there that I wrapped the handle in from Amazon that I just love. Also, I have my little Elphaba doll that my friend Flo got me, and of course my chunky chains on the back. So, but y'all, these are my 2 go-to bags lately, and I love both of them. The Compass is really nice, and this Coach Empire I just love, and I love all the charms on it. I love that Coach has got a really nice thing going on lately with some of their designs, so whoever's doing that, keep it up, Coach. All right, so let's go ahead. We're gonna unbox these blind boxes from Popmart. All right, y'all, let's get into these blind box unboxings. I'm gonna do the baby Molly one first, and she is really cute. Let me put my glasses on so I can actually see what we're doing here. And these glasses are dirty as hell, but at least I can see. Okay, so we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and a secret that you can get. So here's all of the ones you can get with the baby Molly. So really cute. And then there's the little secret, of course. It doesn't show that one, but all of the other ones are really, really cute. Let me zoom in a little bit closer. So really cute. So I don't know which one I really want. They're all adorable, and I love that it comes with the little cat on there too. So that's gonna be the baby Molly. So let's unbox baby Molly, and we'll see what we get here. Okay, let's see if we can pull this thing and get it to pull without tearing. Yay, I did it. Okay, y'all. Let's open up baby Molly. See what we've got here. I don't want to look if there's a card to ruin the surprise, so hopefully it's not going to be in there and it won't ruin it. All right, it's wrapped up with some styrofoam here. That's new. All right, and here is the little baby Molly packaging. Very, very cute. Has Popmart on it there at the bottom. So let's see what we got here. Open it up. And 1, 2, 3. There she is, and let's see if she came with a cat. Oh, I hope I got a cat. Okay, y'all, so this is my first baby Molly unboxing, so there is a cat. It's just down in the box. I was really gonna be unhappy, y'all, because I really wanted the cat. All right, so here's the little cat. Let's open it up together here too. So there's the kitty cat. The cat looks really cute, y'all. I'm really happy with this one. I'm gonna have to see which one it is, but there's the little kitty. Isn't she adorable? Love that. It's got some little designs on the side there. Very, very cute. Baby Molly. Okay, let's put them together here. The Baby Molly on here has some little kitten ears and whiskers as well. So there's the two together. Super cute from Popmart, y'all. Okay, let's see which one these are. The Baby Molly card, and this one is the one I got here is the one on the very bottom right there. It's called Paper Bag Obsession. So there it is. Paper Bag Obsession is the one I got there. Then you also have this little paper bag that came with it too. Let me show you. And this is part of the design. So it just opens up into a little paper bag, and you can put that in front of the figurines. So really cute. And I just think she is super adorable with the little cat too. Just really, really cute. It does have Popmart on the bottom of it there, as you can see. And the little cat has a little collar on too. It's really cute, y'all. I just think it's adorable. All right, so that is the first one there, and that is the Paper Bag Obsession one. All right, y'all, so let's open up the Hirono Rooted in Memory one. I think it's gonna be really adorable too. And I just love the little Hirono character, and it's got a little crown on it too, so I'm not really sure which one we're gonna get. It is a mystery box, so you can get one of 6. There's one called Staying Up, Caught You, Night, Back Off, Get Lucky, and Pieces of Memory. And they all have different little designs on it, so you're not necessarily gonna get a crown. Some have stars and some have hearts, but I love all of the designs. So let's see what we get in the box here, but very, very cute. Let's open up the box. Has another little pull tab. Okay, and let's see what we got here. Okay, and we're inside the box here. Let's pull out the bag here. It's just a white bag. It does have Popmart on it there, as you can see. All right, and let's see which keychain we got here. All right, you ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got a crown here. And let's see, let me untangle this. A little bit tangled up here. All right, y'all, so here it is untangled. It's really cute. It's got the little crown with it, and look at the hardware on it. That dark gunmetal, I love that, dark gunmetal. That's gonna go in a lot of bags. And then you got some on the bottom there, and then you got this cord. You have your crown, which I love the little crown. And then you have your little thing here with your Hirono on it, and he's hiding under a box. And then of course a little gunmetal clasp there as well. And then you have a little chain on it as well. So really cute little charm to put on a bag. Okay, and let's see which one this one is. It did come with a card in the box. All right, so there's the little card there, and we got the one called Caught You. So that is it. See there, it says Caught You on the card there. So that is Hirono Rooted in Memory, Caught You. And I think it is super cute, and I'm really happy with it. I might have to get another couple of these. I really think they're really adorable, and I love the fact that you can actually take the little crown or whatever that comes on it off, because it has the clasp on it. So really cute for a bag charm. And of course, I'm gonna put it on some of my bags with the darker colors on it. So that's gonna be perfect. All right, so that's number 2. All right, y'all, I went ahead and put it on my Compass 35 there so you can see what it looks like. Super cute. And then there is the little end piece there with the little tassels, and you got your crown on the end there. So I think that looks adorable on my bag. So really, really cute. I'm happy with that one for sure. All right, let's move on to number 3. All right, so let's open up the other Hirono, the other one here. Let's see what we've got here. This one has a combination of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, plus the secret here, and I'll show you the options there. There's a bunch of them, and they're really small, so see if you can read those, but really cute. And of course, you've got your secret down on the bottom there, so hopefully we can get a secret. Hopefully one of these days I'm gonna get a secret. Now, Josh opened up a, I don't remember which one it was, but he opened up a blind box recently, and of course the first one he opened up was a damn secret, so that's his luck, and I have this luck. But let's see, this has a little wine box on the top here. It's got a little logo. This box was squished a little bit when I got it from Popmart, which I don't understand, so they must have squished it because the box I got it in was not squished. But this just unwraps. And let's see what we've got here on the inside. It does have a little tear thing here, so tear that. I do not have the best luck with these tear things. Okay. All right, y'all, so let's open up the box here. So inside you have a little brown baggie here, and it says Hirono, the other one on the bag here. and has the little icon on the back there. So very cute. Let's see which one we got. These are really adorable, so I'll probably be happy with whichever one I got. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he is so cute. Show y'all real quick up close here. Look how cute that is, y'all. That is so adorable. He's got like a little sad face and his little droopy eyes. I love it. Turn it around where you can see the back here. But all of these little figurines are super adorable. And there's a whole entire series, of course. This character is just adorable to me. I love it. But this is the little Hirono. I'm not sure what he's holding there. Is it a kite? You tell me. Let's see which one we got here and see if there's a card on the inside. Now I know what it is. Okay, so it's not a kite that he's holding. It's a little marionette, like with your puppets, where you can control puppets. So that's what he's doing. Maybe he's sad because he lost his puppets. But here's the little card that come with it, and it says the marionette on it. The back of it has the Hirono series on it, but these are so cute, y'all. I just love them. All right, so that is the number 3 blind box unboxing. Let's go ahead and move on to the final one, which is going to be the Skullpanda unboxing. So this is the L'Impressionism Skullpanda there, as you can see. So we'll see which one we can get here. Of course, this is a blind box too. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and a secret. So there is the options you can get on that one. But they're very, very cute. And of course you have the option to get the secret there. So there's your options, but they're all really cute. And let's see which one we get here, okay? Okay, we're gonna pull. All right, that one worked out pretty good. All right, and let's pop the box open. There's our little bag. The bag says Skullpanda on it. These are a pretty good size here. Right, let's open it up here. And let's see which one we got. Let it be a secret for once. 1, 2, 3. All right, y'all. Here is the one we got. And these are wrapped in plastic so that they're a little more protected when you get them. So let's take the plastic off so we can see the little baby. All right, look how cute, y'all. So super cute. The little hat's adorable. It's got some little flowers on it and kind of a frilly little lacy little middle piece there. And of course your little ring and band has a little Skullpanda on it, and it's the color of the ring. So she's super cute. I'm not sure which one this one is, so let's see. All right, y'all, so we got the second one on there, which is Blossom in the middle there. So that is Blossom that we got here. Let's see if it came with the card here. All right, yes, there is Blossom's little card. So very cute. On the back, it has the series with the Skullpanda and Popmart, but she is super adorable. Love her. Love the color too. And that'll go on a lot of nice bags, especially like a blue color. I think that'll go perfect on a blue bag. But she's really super adorable, and I love all the little details on it. And she has the cute little flowers on her hat there, and her little eyes are closed. So super cute. Very adorable, Popmart. Okay, so that is the final one, my little Skullpanda, and I think she's adorable. Y'all, I appreciate y'all tuning in to watch my unboxing of these blind boxes. I think they're super fun to do, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Y'all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if everybody can just take a moment to give me a like on this video, it does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate y'all for doing that. And I hope you'll come back and see my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all the next time. Bye.